କାନ୍ତି ଯା ସାଗର ଖୋଜୁଛନ୍ତି କି ଏ ସାଗର ଏ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ଏ ସାଗର ବା
ग्लास सेट ग्लास जो किया शीशा का ग्लास हाँ
पानी बोतल छोटो पानी बोतल चापी तार ये चापी मेरा जीतू
पानी बोतल कल जो लाया था कहाँ रखा
नहीं निकाल तो रखना पड़ेगा ना अभी आने से उनको देना पड़ेगा ना
एक ग्लास बाहर तो रखना नहीं छोड़ रही है
छोटा कहाँ है मंदिर लीजिए नहीं तो सारे में रूम में चार ये जो जगह है डाल तो आ जाएंगे और आते होंगे
ये क्रांति है ना नमकीन भी है ना हाँ नमकीन है काजू भी दे दे
Tadi, hei, itu kerja terus kopi aja terus. ये बोलो रखे रहो। हाँ, ऊपर जाओ जी। हाल को दूँगा रखी। गाड़ी में लेकर रखी। तो मैं कर देती हूँ मैं बहुत ही जल्दी लो
अरे यार
हमने
लुक हियर इधर देखो फुल करो I'm just doing now so once I come in please
yes kalian jalan.
जो माने उपस्थित नहांती कौन कारणवशत आसीपारि ना समस्त को धन्यवाद अर्पण करुच्ची समस्त को कंग्रेचुलेट करुच्ची एवं समस्त को आमंत्रित से ए कार्यक्रम को आगे नेबे।
I request one of our senior team member who is associated with us for a long time. He is from West Bengal, Mr. Saibal Bas, who is with us. So we have learned so many things from him. Personally, I will share because he was working with us initially as HR admin. Now he is the PMB member of now West Bengal project. So give a big hand for Mr. Saibal Bose, popularly known as Saibalda. And I will request him to please come here and dais. Saibalda, please. And definitely we can learn so many things. And he will share us his experience because he has started his career in pharma line, and we feel proud that now he is associated with us. So give a big hand for Saibalda. Saibalda, please share your experience and advice for us.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Barnabas says too much for me. I'm not that big a person. Please discount it from your level. Right. I have been working with this company for 6 years. I joined 2011 August. At that time, we were not that big, but then the year progressed and we grow in leaps and bounds, both linear as well as in periphery. So you people who are here at the computer lab, maybe some of you guys started just now, and there are many people I can see here, Mr. Manoranjan, then Arnav standing in front side of me, and then Shujit. There hardly anybody leaves this company. Even they goes out from here, they have reasons to come back to our fold because they find that Mr. Sahu is such a gentleman. He gives a tremendous growth opportunity to each of his employees. So please stuck to this company and make yourself grow in leaps and bounds in years to come, because you are with a company which is bound to grow. There is no doubt about it. So if you stick to this company and perform your duties in a right manner, there is no possibility that you shouldn't grow. You also grow. As an organization grows, it's because of you only. So you have the potential to make this company grow farther and farther for years to come, and eventually you also grow along with the company. That is my thing that I want to share with you, and I have enjoyed doing work with you guys. Many of I can see here, like Sunita, then Arvind is also there, and then I'm missing Jagan. Jagan is also there since the very past my career with this company. So gentlemen, give your best and make the company perform to the highest level, and you also grow with the company. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Saibalda. Guest from NSDL, Vice President of NSDL, see, Ankush Deshpande has already arrived. So welcome him to our new campus, new IT campus. So in a short time, we are going to start our first day program. So as per the schedule, 3-number dance performance here by NSDC team member. Before that, I'll request our also a team member of Computer Lab. Now he is working with a different organization, but till he is associated with us, he is also a good singer. You all can guess. Because initially I told Mr. Sahu, who has started this organization on 1990, until he is not working, he is running and gradually he is jumping. Am I right? So always I have listened from him that
respond दवा कोई problem कौन दवा आज मजा करिबा समझते सब ओडिया तो नाव किया अच्छा अलगा बेंगली हाँ अच्छा ठीक है जी गोटे भल हिंदी गीत जीवा नुआ गीत तापर शशांक भाई अच्छा आपण मानक एंटरटेन करेंगे जीवा जोरे समस्त ताली देंगे तुम दी हाथों मूव करें Guys, everybody मेरी नजर का सफर